Of everything that was up there, I've actually way too much. I think I like spammed you on Twitter and like, oh my god, look how many did! Oh no, oh my god, this is happening. Anyway, it's the end of the conference, and I'd like to say a few closing notes. But I think we can do something different instead of doing a whole speech up here.
Yeah, we actually want to hear us play another song? Sure. Close
that doesn't sound sure to me.
Yeah, are
you want us to play another
song?
Great. Let me see a little bit more confident than I actually feel.
What? Yeah, right? What is an appropriate song for the end of a conference?
I really like the song from, what's that, Bear in the Big Blue House, Goodbye song?
Oh.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, good. I don't know, that probably ages me. I probably reveals how old I am now. Or how young I am.
Right.
Anyway, let me grab the thing.
Well, yeah, we're gonna get set up and play a song for you here. We're just gonna chair out here, a few of the things, and while we're setting up, we're just gonna say thank you. We're gonna talk about all the things we learned today, maybe over these past 2 days. I hope you all enjoyed the conference, and I hope you all learned a lot. Did you? Yeah. Great. Okay, so we learned about JS diversity, Dockerization, emergency systems, Tamagotchis, and ES6 generators, TensorFlow and machine learning, internationalization, being an ally, the weird quirks of math and JavaScript, microservices, keyboard accessibility, and communication.
Yes, we've learned about ethics, web dev history, WordPress, the American labor movement, and then a talk I called Slides. Slides with slides, you know what I'm talking about. CRDT, serverless, progressive web apps, Lighthouse, they asked for some data, legacy code bases, creating ORMs, and our amazing final talk, retro art, and JavaScript.
Yeah. So before we do some more thank yous and finish off, we're gonna close off this conference with another music interlude. So we're good. And you probably know this song as well.
Yes, and please sing along too, so I feel better about myself. Thank you so much. And I would like to also thank everyone that I've been talking to for the past 2 days. I know that talking to me, I might seem super flustered and stressed, because that's just how it is when you MC. And also, it's Jasmine's first time MCing. Wasn't she great?
It was amazing. It was a great, that's funny to be on stage with, because we had so much fun. We practiced and we covered a lot of things, and we planned. So yeah. So are we ready? What time is it?
It's
closing time.
It's closing time. Closing time.
is a stage nerd. Encore? To give myself a chance to redeem myself?
We can do another chorus.
Okay.
Okay, we can repeat.
Let me look at the sheet music this time.
We don't have another music prepared.
Yeah.
We're very limited in our music preparedness. So sorry. Okay. Another chorus? Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
So before we finish off here, we have a few thank yous here. First, we want to thank all of you. Thank you for coming. Give a big round of applause for yourselves. Bearing the brunt and being an amazing audience. We also want to thank the organizers, the Kai Playhouse crew, and the speakers and the volunteers. So let's give them a round of applause.
You know that all the volunteers are here like super early in the morning, like probably like 6-something a.m. and it's kind of unbelievable. They're so dedicated and they work so hard to make this conference happen, and the result is amazing. So let's give them all a hand. They're amazing.
Okay, and now we want to thank also our sponsors. We want to thank IBM Code, VR World, Slice, Azure. You want to finish the rest?
Yes, we have MongoDB. I'm actually wearing their socks.
Yeah.
And Glossier, ClassPass, SoulSlabs, and also. And an announcement for VR World tonight. If you are coming, make sure that you have your badge. It is required of you to have your badge on. And also, again, if you have any questions regarding VR World or how to get there, approach any of our volunteers and organizers, and they will all help you with getting there. And again, thank you so much for attending EmpireJS. It's been really wonderful, and me and Jasmine can finally relax and be in VR World, you know what I mean?
Yeah, go on vacation.
Go on vacation in
VR land.
We'll be on the beach, because we never got the chance to go to the beach this year.
Right, no. All right, yeah, thank you all.
Thank you so much.
See you all back on.